Hello! Testing of the new BMW M2 is coming to an end, and maybe some of you have seen the pics showing the front bumper of the new M2, or at least the alleged M2. Anyway, here's my vision of the new BMW M2 based on these photos. What do you think about it? And here you can compare it to the normal M240i. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please check my second channel, Cooking with Emet. Thanks for watching and see ya!